to the Maison Dor Network with me, DiorShaari. Okay, this is my third item from Zalora that I bought. It's apparel from Asos design. Okay, and then it's called the super skinny smart trousers. Alright, the size is 30-32. Okay, now let's unbox these. Plastic is quite simple. If the one that I bought from Asos Design, which is the skinny jeans, that plastic is a bit better with the logo. So this is the material, like silky, but also like a bit like a sweat feeling. I don't know why they're trying to sweat for me now. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, from the cutting, it looks like this one. In picture, it looks like straight, right? But in reality, it looks like a bit narrow below here, actually. Okay, doesn't matter. So here is the tagging. Also same for us design, and then yeah. Okay, now yeah, let me open it. This. Okay, then inside you can see